Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change your Safari search engine on iPhone. And this is quite simple. Right now if I type here on my search bar and I search for Christmas and I do go, you will see that we are searching now on Bing. And to be honest, Bing is not my searching engine, so I want to change this. So what do I need to do? Alright, let's go to your settings. Then scroll down and go to apps. Then from here search for Safari, click on Safari. And then from here you already see two options. The first one is default browser app. Please put this one on Chrome and then go back. And then if you go to search engine, you see that we are using Bing right now. But please decide which one you want to use. I want to use Google. So right now if I click on Google and go back and I refresh my Safari page, click on it again. Let's go to Google, close this tab. And right now if I search for Christmas, you see that we are back on our Google search engine, and this is exactly how you can do this. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.